it.
Can I not press before?
Oh yeah, that one, yeah. I've seen that music video. That's one of my favourite videos ever.
That's Star Wars.
Oh mate, I should have got that.
Go on.
How long has it got? You can't just press it and pause it. I'm like,
What, do I have to wait for the sound?
He turns to me and he says, "Why serious?"
Can I not go
I
again?
know this one, yeah, now. If you can't press it.
Can I not press before?
You can press it, you've got to say it straight away. You can't press it.
The Dark
It'll be
Knight.
like
Batman. Oh, Joker.
2-0. You're so good at this.
Commander of the armies of the North.
Oh, I think you might have got that for me.
Who was it?
Gladiator. I needed one though, man.
Oh no. Oh, it's a song. Dua Lipa. Oh. Levitate. Is that it?
Half point.
No,
That's correct, yeah.
Daughter absolutely loves it.
Oh yeah, that one, yeah. That's in that music video. Oh! What is that? Is it Football Focus or something? What is that?
No, I don't have that. No, I should know it. No, I don't know it.
Oh!
What happens in summer?
Wimbledon.
But if you don't, I will look for you.
Oh no! He's so good at this.
No, it's not there. It's Liam Neeson. Yeah. And the movie is... Oh, I should get it, but it's gone.
Of course you got it.
Gone, taken.
Yeah. He just presses it and then has like 2 minutes to think about it. Son loves that one. Yeah.
You try kicking the goal, you hit me? Some f***ing brains, ain't ya?
Oh, that's when Harry Redknapp's get hit in the ball at training. That's one of my favourite videos ever.
Southampton.
Yeah. Double or quits. This last one.
Wax on, right hand.
Karate Kid.
Wax off, left hand.
Karate Kid. Oh, quick that. Well done. What's that, 4-4?
Yeah, double or quits though, so I've got 2 points. That's just a draw now, the last one. Aguero! Martin Tyler.
All right, Crocky.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Congrats.